Today I am reviewing Acer Aspire Go 15 Slim laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a laptop that perfectly balances performance, portability, and style, the Acer Aspire Go 15 Slim might just be the device you've been waiting for. Right out of the box, this laptop makes an impressive first impression with its sleek gray finish and slim profile. Measuring just 0.79 inches thick and weighing only 3.75 pounds, it's remarkably portable, making it ideal for students, professionals, or anyone constantly on the move. The first thing you'll notice is the 15.3-inch WUXGA IPS display, which delivers a 1920 by 1200 resolution. This isn't just your average screen, it's an IPS panel, meaning you get vibrant, accurate colors and wide viewing angles. Whether you're watching movies, editing photos, or just scrolling through your documents, visuals look sharp, clear, and consistent from almost any angle. For anyone who values visual quality in everyday computing, this screen is a major plus. Under the hood, the Acer Aspire Go 15 is powered by the Intel Core i5-1334U processor. This CPU is designed to deliver a perfect mix of performance and efficiency. It handles everyday tasks like web browsing, office work, and streaming effortlessly, while also giving you the power to multitask smoothly without lag. Coupled with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, this laptop is built to handle heavy workloads. Switching between multiple applications, large spreadsheets, or browser tabs is seamless, and you rarely notice any slowdown. When it comes to storage, this laptop truly shines. It comes with a massive 2.16 terabytes of storage, combining a 2 terabytes SSD and a 160 gigabytes docking station set. That means you have lightning-fast storage for your operating system and software, plus more than enough space to store your documents, media files, and even large projects. Speaking of the docking station, it's a great bonus that expands connectivity and storage options, perfect for professionals who need extra ports and accessories. Graphics performance is powered by Intel UHD graphics, which delivers solid visuals for everyday tasks. While this isn't a gaming powerhouse, it's more than capable for content consumption, office work, light photo editing, and streaming high-definition videos. Paired with the large, clear display, your media experience is smooth and enjoyable. One of the small but essential features is the integrated numeric keypad. If you deal with numbers regularly, whether for counting, spreadsheets, or data entry, this is a huge time saver. And for remote meetings or video calls, the full HD webcam provides crisp and clear visuals, making your online interactions look professional. Connectivity is future-ready with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth, so you get faster wireless speeds and more reliable connections, even in crowded networks. The laptop also offers a versatile range of ports, including two USB-A 3.2, two USB-C 3.2, an HDMI 2.1 port, and a headphone/microphone combo jack, giving you flexibility for all your devices. Running on Windows 11 Pro, the laptop provides a secure and intuitive environment. The interface is modern, fluid, and designed to enhance productivity. From snapping windows side by side to using virtual desktops, Windows 11 Pro makes multitasking simple and efficient. Finally, Acer includes some thoughtful extras with this laptop, such as a 7-in-1 docking station, a 32 GB microSD card with adapter, Type-C and 3-in-1 charging cables, and a suede cleaning cloth. These additions enhance the overall experience, giving you everything you need to get started right away. In conclusion, the Acer Aspire Go 15 Slim laptop is a feature-packed, high-performance device that caters to both professionals and everyday users. Its slim design, vibrant display, powerful processor, massive RAM and storage, and bonus accessories make it a compelling choice for anyone looking for a reliable, stylish, and efficient laptop. Whether for work, study, or entertainment, this laptop has all the right tools to keep you productive and entertained.